Presenting the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Core i5 13th Generation 1335U. It has operating system Windows 11 Home. It comes with processor 13th generation Intel Core i5 1335U processor, up to 4.6 GHz 12 MB L3 cache, and Intel Iris Xe graphics. It comes with memory 16 GB LPDDR4x memory and storage 512 GB NVMe SSD, additional slot expandable up to 1 TB. It has display 15.6 inches, 39.6 cm, and 1920 by 1080 resolution vertical bar 60 Hz. It comes with Wi-Fi 6 without CD drive vertical bar battery, 54 Wh and charger, 45 with USB Type-C adapter. It features camera, 720p, intelligent video call solution with Intel collaboration vertical bar stereo and Dolby Atmos speaker, microphone, one headphone out/mic in combo, keyboard, backlit, fingerprint reader. It also features ports, 2 USB Type-C and 2 USB 3.2. 1 HDMI and micro SD multimedia card reader.